guys, what is up? My name is Aurora. Today I'm so excited to be bringing you guys my blowout hair tutorial. I love making hair videos for you guys, and I'm always trying to put you guys on to any techniques or products that I really love to achieve great hairstyles with your hair and to make sure that your hair is growing and maintaining its natural, healthy state. So today I'm going to be talking about and kind of walking through how I use the insert name here, insert blowout here hot tool. This is basically a hair drying brush that allows you to get a salon ready hairstyle at home in minutes. This is my finished product of how it looks. I'm filming obviously the intro after I already did it, and you can see how much volume and kind of like this natural curl blowout texture that this insert blowout here tool gave my hair. If you have layers, if you have short hair, if you have long hair, this is the perfect tool for you. I genuinely use this product all the time. I have to show you guys how to really get the best blowout for your hair. But if you are interested in this product, I do have a coupon code for you guys. It is RORY to save 15% off. That's Rory for 15. I'm not being sponsored to make this video. I just really want to put you guys on, and INH was nice enough to give me a code to share with you guys. So make sure to check out the description box for the link to this and any other things that I'm using in this video. And we are going to get right into it. But before we do, make sure that if you're not already subscribed and you like videos all about beauty, fashion, and home decor on a budget, that you go down below, hit that subscribe button, and also turn on your post notifications. I post new videos every single week, Monday and Friday. And if you want to follow me on Twitter and IG, you can find me at Rory Bell with 3 L's and 1 E. Let's get started. I'm going to show you guys how I use this dryer tool and how it's going to change your life. Okay, ignore my bare face. I still have to do my makeup, but I am starting off with just my hair. I got it out of the shower. I actually didn't even shampoo my hair. Sometimes, if you have seen any of my videos about how I kind of grow out my hair, I talk a lot about skipping washes. And some of you guys have asked me, like, can you get your hair wet? Does that still count? Yes, I constantly do this where I won't necessarily wash my hair, but if I'm in the shower, I might get it wet just so I can kind of restart and restyle. So yeah, this is one way that I do it. If my hair is wet, sometimes I'll braid it, sometimes I'll do curling methods. I have a bunch of heatless hairstyles that I will link down below. But like I said in the intro, we are using the insert blowout here. This is such an easy tool to use. It's one of the few hot tools that I really truly like, and like I mentioned before, I do have a coupon code. It will be linked down below. It is RORY to save 15% off. This is one of the few hot tools that I truly love, and first of all, it's so cute, but it's also just so easy. I never used to blow out my hair before, and this has changed all that. I use this a lot. If I'm putting heat on my hair, and you guys know I rarely do, if I am putting heat on my hair, you can bet that it's probably going to be using this. So I already have her plugged in. Then I'm just going to brush out my hair. This is also a brush from INH hair. It's genuinely the brush I use every single day. I am just trying to brush out some of the knots. You can see my hair was up in a towel, so it is a little bit like tangled. I just like to brush that out if possible. Okay, so my hair is all brushed out. You can see that more or less, if I was to just let my hair dry, this would be kind of how it would look. It's very flat at the top. So that's where insert blowout here comes in. It's going to give us lots of volume. It's also going to have kind of a feathery look. And if you have layers or curtain bangs, this is going to be your best friend. I don't. All my hair is like one length, but I still really love this product. Now I'm just taking my heat protectant, spritzing that into my hair. It's always important to apply heat protectant anytime that you are putting heat to your hair. I'm also going to be taking these Velcro Rollers. This is so crucial to locking in that kind of flip. These I actually just get at Dollar Tree. They're super easy, and they come in a bunch of different sizes. So you can see here, I have some smaller ones. These are the big ones. And then I have some medium sized ones right here. And there are 3 heat settings. There's high, low, cool, and then obviously off. And you just twist it to turn on. Obviously, you're not going to really be able to hear me over this blow dryer, so I'm going to first kind of instruct you, and then we're going to speed it up. But pretty much what I would do is I would have it on, and I would just brush my hair going up and out, And then when I get to the ends, I would turn in and just keep turning my hair. Like keep turning. And now I like to, you could see right then I was going inwards. I would be alternating. Sometimes I would go inwards towards my face. Sometimes I would go outwards away from my face. You're going to kind of have to go through the top a few times to really get it dry, obviously, but this dries your hair so quickly. And then as far as the ends, like I said, I would just keep doing that. And I would want to have the ends hot at the very end. Like once I'm done with that section, I would go over the ends one more time so it's hot. Then I would just take my Velcro hair roller and literally just twist my hair up, starting at the ends, moving upwards to cool everything, and then it will kind of just stick to itself. You could clip it up if it's in your way. I really don't usually care. Again, blow dry your hair, going upwards to give it that volume, twisting it in or outwards, alternating with each section. Make sure it's hot at the end, and then take your Velcro roller and roll up and let it set to dry. Let's get started. So unfortunately, I don't have enough of these Velcro rollers to just go ahead and do the other side. So I am gonna have to take it out and then start on the other side. But are you ready to see the final result? Obviously, still need to do the other side. But once I feel like everything has dried, you definitely want to wait until you feel like it's been enough time. You're going to gently take these out. They can definitely get tangled. They can definitely rip out your hair, especially these cheap kind. So really be careful because nobody wants that. Slowly begin to unravel. And then I like to obviously brush out the piece that I just did. You can see the curl at the end is so prominent compared to if I just let it fall without the little Velcro rollers. Let's take out the rest and then you'll see the final product. We'll do the other side and then I'll show you the final touches. Y'all, look at this side compared to this side. If I just let my hair dry right here, it would be flat. It would have no dimension. This has so much dimension, and you can see at the ends, it has this beautiful, healthy curl that just gives such a beautiful blowout look. I like to just kind of pin curl up my hair, so just kind of roll it into itself, tie it off just so that I can kind of have it sectioned off. So I will be right back with the final product. And here are both sides completely blow dried. That took no time at all. You can see the little flip at the end, kind of the way that it frames my face. Again, obviously, if you have layers, it's going to look 10 times better. And I want you to keep in mind, my hair is 5 days old. Where this method is such an essential for me if I need to wear my hair down but my hair is kind of on its last leg in terms of needing to be washed. It just really like distributes my natural hair oils and gives me like a shiny finish. I just love how healthy this makes my hair look. Again, everything will be linked down below that I used from inhhair, and if you want, you can save 15% off with the code RORY, R-O-R-Y. That's it from me, you guys. Again, make sure to check out the description box if you're interested in anything. Let me know in the comments if there's any questions that you have. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and as always, make sure to follow me on Twitter and IG at Rory Bell with 3 L's and 1 E. Love you guys. Bye.